Dear Cheri, can you address the subject of traveling with a bong? Is it legal to fly with a bong? Just curious, because I love my bong and I sure miss it when I travel. Thanks. Okay, that's a great question, traveling with a bong. Before I get to the answer, just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell, because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. Okay, this video is going to be part of a much longer post on my website, so check out the comments below for that, because there'll be a lot more details about traveling with bongs, including some pics for the best smell-proof bags to pack your bongs in that will protect them from getting broken, the best travel bongs, and more tips and tricks. But let's just answer this question very quickly in this video. Can you fly with a bong or travel with a bong? Well, you can, but the question might be, should you? Traveling with a bong, especially when you're flying, when you are really subject to searches, and especially flying internationally, to my mind, just isn't worth the hassle. You're always going to be inviting further scrutiny by law enforcement, by customs officials. So while traveling with a bong per se is not illegal, it's certainly asking for a lot of hassles, and who wants that while you're traveling? To my mind, a better solution might be to just buy a cheap bong wherever you're going, or a little bubbler or water pipe or something like that, if you absolutely must have a bong, or even go all MacGyver and fashion a homemade bong once you get there, might be a better solution. Yes, you can travel with a bong. The laws, of course, like anything around cannabis, get a little murky. Federally, anything like a bong or a pipe or even rolling papers, if these are used to smoke cannabis, are technically illegal, believe it or not. Now, you may be asking, well, if rolling papers and pipes and bongs are illegal, and how come my smoke shop at the corner can sell them? And that's because of a loophole in the federal paraphernalia laws that say that it's not that these objects per se are illegal as long as you use them with tobacco, but if you use them with an illegal drug, and marijuana federally is still a federal Schedule 1 drug, then they become illegal. So that's right, you can kill yourself with tobacco all day long in the eyes of the government, but if you heal yourself with cannabis, you better watch out, especially when flying, because that is under federal jurisdiction. TSA is under federal jurisdiction. You're flying over state lines and sometimes international borders. And the laws can get even worse internationally for drug paraphernalia. Some countries have very serious penalties for that. I'll go into more of this on the article on my website. If you're road tripping with a bong, I mean, yes, it's not illegal to have it, but if you do get searched and you have it, it can cause you problems. The other thing is, you have to be able to prove that that bong was never used for cannabis. So if there is even the tiniest speck of residue in there, that can and will be used against you in some areas. I'm going to have another link in the comments below to the 19 states where you absolutely do not want to get caught with weed in any shape or way, shape, or form, unless you're a patient in some of them. That will get you off the hook. But there are 19 states where even simple possession of small amounts of cannabis or paraphernalia and such can land you in jail. So you do want to be careful with that. So check out those links in the comments below for more details on this. I mean, technically, yes, you can travel or fly with a bong. I just don't think it's worth the hassle. Hope this helps. I'll see you all next time.